Gurukuls, Lost Indian Wisdom. In this video, we're gonna talk about indigenous education system. To support us, subscribe our channel. In the time of 1800s, in India, there are many international universities like Sardapit in Kashmir, Takshashila in present-day Punjab, Nalanda in Bihar, Vallabhi in Gujarat, Vikramshila in Bihar, Pushpagiri in Odisha, Jagadalla in Bangladesh, Ujjaini in Madhya Pradesh, Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, and many more. In the university, students study subjects like mathematics, economics, literature, alchemy, science, metallurgy, medical, astrology, psychology, laws, music, dance, and many more subjects. Many students come here from different countries like China, Greece, Japan for studies, and here without any discrimination anyone can study. And these universities have entrance exam to check your intellectual level for studies. There are different levels of gurukuls like gurukuls, viharas, vidyalaya, Vishwavidyalaya, or international university. This indigenous education system is very good at every level than modern day education. In this era, India gives many inventions to the world. India gives zero. If you don't know, zero is given by India. When the people of all around world are learning numbers like 1, 2. Here Indian civilization's people was calculating calculus and measuring distances of stars. It is India who first quoted that Earth is round in shape. There are many literatures in which there is mentioned about ancient vimanas or aircrafts. It was written in ancient times. What if I tell you that theory of relativity is described in ancient Indian text? You don't believe me, right? So I will share one story from ancient Indian scriptures. The story begins with King Kakudmi and his daughter Revati. Daughter Revati is now marriageable, but King Kakudmi did not found any prince who is worthy to be marriage with Revati. So King Kakudmi go to Brahmalok. Where he arrived in Brahmaloka, Brahmaji was listening to music by Gandharvas. After some time, Brahmaji come to Raja Kakudmi and asked him reason of coming to Brahmaloka. King Kakudmi replied that he was finding prince to marry his daughter, but not found any worthy prince. So he come to Brahmaji for his advice. After hearing this, Brahmaji started to laughing. King Kakudmi asked the reason of that laugh. Then Brahmaji explained him that the time on earth and Brahmaloka is different. King Kakudmi waited for Brahmaji for several hours, but during this period on earth there was many yugas have been passed out, and all the relative and people of that yuga have been died. So here you can notice that in ancient times Indian knows that time is relative. Indian knows surgery techniques and perform surgery techniques way before Westerners. Indians was very developed in the field of medicals. They know how to perform surgery at a best possible way. There are the number of things which I have said. There are many more things which we don't know today. In around 1960s, Mr. Dharampalji write about our indigenous education system. They found out archival Indian surveys files of 19th century conducted by Britishers in India. In these survey files, there was written about our gurukuls. They found that there were lakhs of gurukul in India because every village had their own gurukul. In these gurukuls, they study about mathematics, science, metallurgy, Indian epics, scriptures, exercises and meditation, etc. And they have advanced teaching methodology, and the gurukuls are funded by temples. Everyone can study in these gurukuls, no matter from which caste or jati they belong. So how did we leave this indigenous education system and follow it Macaulay education system? This is time of early 19th century. Britishers wanted to rule on India, but the number of people of India is way more than Britishers, so they need more middlemen who can run their work behalf of Britishers. But Indian culture and education system is so rich that to control on India is very difficult. So after 15 years of strategic thinking, Macaulay implemented English Education Act in 1835. At this time, the literacy rate of India is about 99 to 100%. At this time, literacy rate of England is somewhere around 30 to 40%. That means every Indian knows how to read and write in their local language and Sanskrit. They found out that if they want to rule India for long, Then they need to destroy our culture and our education system. So they banned Gurukuls and banned the Sanskrit language and put high taxes on temples, so temples can't able to fund Gurukuls, and put high taxes on normal peoples, so people can't help the Gurukul and teachers. This is how we lost our indigenous education system, and new education system only focus on grades and numbers, but Gurukul's focus is on students' interest and what they are good at.